Hey.
Want the cracker? She don't want the cracker?
So licking the little condensation off the cup.
She probably sees the drink inside.
Well, she's like,
if you put her head inside, she'll make all sorts of weird. If you open it up and let her put her head in there, she'll do these little purrs inside. She likes the echo of the purr. Now pick up the cup and let her actually like put her head inside. She'll do this little purr thing.
Yeah, she was trying to take the lid off.
Yeah, give her a drink. Actually, give her a drink.
Lemonade.
Yummy.
She's trying to blow bubbles or something. Yeah, she was like licking the side of the condensation, like putting her tongue out and then like slurping it up. The hell? I think she likes this camera.
Yummy. It's yummy, huh? Yummy.
She's trying to get an ice cube or something.